Starting tomorrow, the state will begin a mandatory COVID-19 testing program for the remainder of athletes between the ages of 13 and 19 in winter and spring sports. While health officials are stressing the importance for schools to implement this, some districts say they are against it. Mid-Michigan Now's Remy Murray explains both sides.
Mandatory testing program to slow the spread of COVID-19 isn't getting the reaction the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services thought it would.
What's really disappointing is, we're hearing about a lot of groups who don't want to do this, who are resistant to testing.
One of the districts against the new testing policy is Sandusky Community Schools. In a letter posted on their Facebook page, the district calls the regulations, quote, invasive, extreme, and unnecessary.
The whole goal of a testing program is to keep athletics going.
Over the last couple of weeks, the Michigan High School Athletic Association says a handful of teams withdrew from the tournament because of matters relating to COVID-19. However, the association maintains and says this isn't directly related to gameplay and practice.
We know where some of these spreads are happening. Where the school's contact tracing, within the school is leading them. And a lot of times it has nothing to do with school and nothing to do with sports, but something to do with social.
In case investigations, what we're finding is that transmission is not occurring in classrooms. Transmission does not seem to be occurring as much on the playing field, but transmission seems to be linked to social gatherings that people are having in and around athletics.
Which is contributing to an increase in cases throughout the state and also a 106% uptick from one local county.
The main driver of that increase we've seen is associated with sporting activities and athletic activities.
Despite findings from both the state health department and Genesee County Health Department, the association is sticking to their word and says athletics is playing a very small part in the spread of COVID-19.
Well, I just want to confirm, because you said other extracurricular activities could be leading to the virus spreading. So this is not a result of players not wearing their masks when playing, the celebrations when they win or score, or a combination of all of those things?
We don't believe that that's driving the spread.
The testing program is there to help. It's not there to hurt.
Kimberly says he won't know the final number of teams opting out due to COVID-19 until the tournament is over. In Mount Morris Township, Remy Murray, Mid-Michigan Now.
For the first time since the start of the pandemic, Michigan Senator